Tuples weekly assignment. The first thing that I did was make 4 tuple sets. The first one had courses, English, Math, Science, and History. The second one had just numbers, letters, and empty ones. But this is just to show that tuples can have lists, they can have strings, and in the list it can be numbers, strings on its own, and it can be empty too, from right here. And they're immutable, so you can't change them. But the way that I'm showing you here is the only way that you can. So you can't use the same the same functions that you did when updating lists or deleting a value in a list. You have to use a certain way of doing so. So if you wanted to access the values in a tuple, you just type in the name of the value, and then with a square bracket, you put in the index of that first value that you want to have. So by typing tuple_1, which is the first value, and using an index of 0, you get the first index, and when you print it, you can see that the first index of tuple 1 is English. And we can see it again using tuple 2. You can get more than 1 by getting by putting the first and the last index you want to get. So by putting 1 and 5, you're getting the index between 1 and the 5th one. And it will print it out and put 2, 3, and 4. If you want to update it, you should put tuples_3 and make it as a variable that's equal to the first and the last one. That's how you combine 2 tuples. So now when you print out a tuple 3, when you update it, it prints it out as the first one and the second one, all together combined as 1. If you want to delete them, you can see when you print the first one, it would show you the first list that it has, the list that is in the tuple. But you have to delete it, you just put del tuple_1. So now when you print it, it would just put 4. Because remember, we updated it in the updating tuple, so now tuple 1 isn't there as English, Math, and Science anymore. If you want the length of it, you put print len and then tuple 2, and I'm going to show you the number, which is 4. If you want to repeat the tuples, you just put print tuple 3 times 4. So now when it prints it out, the output would be English, Math, Science, 1, 2, 3, 4, like the whole thing 4 times. And then if you want the type of the tuple, it would tell you that it's a list. If you want to find out if a value is in a tuple, you just print, type in the value that you want to figure out is in that tuple, and it will tell you if it's true or false. And that's it.